For obtaining clean work results when mowing, it depends not only on a good working unit, but it is also a question of the right settings. Based on the KRONE EasyCut R320, we will show you how the mower is optimally set in order to reap the best forage quality. The EasyCut R320 has optional support legs that enable parking on a solid surface in the transport position. For attachment, first couple the machine to the lower linkage of the tractor. Then connect the PTO shaft and secure the chain of the PTO shaft guard. Attach the hydraulic couplers of the machine to the tractor in a spool valve with float position. A single acting spool valve with float position is sufficient to bring the mower in transport, working or headland position. Next, the top link is mounted. Then raise the mower and pivot the jack stands in transport position or slide and lock in place with the bolt. To mow, the height of the headstock should be adjusted so that the lateral arms are parallel to the ground for optimum ground adaptation. The adjustment is made with the tractor 3-point hydraulics. If the device is in working position, the cutting height needs to be controlled from the operator. For optimum feed, a cutting height of 7 centimeters is advisable. By lowering the parking support and in the working position, the cutting height is set with the top link. To shorten the length of the cut, the top link is shortened, and for a larger, higher cut, the top linkage needs to be longer. To fold the mower from the transport into working position, pull the rope and bring the hydraulics into float position. Before mowing, the setting of the relief springs needs to be checked. As a control method, the mower frame is taken at the outer edge and checked by lifting the unit by hand. If the ground pressure is not optimally adjusted, the spring tension must be adjusted. For this, bring the disc mower in headland position and reposition the bolt into another hole. The indicator of the release is 70 kilograms ground pressure per meter working width. However, this value can vary significantly depending on the processing speed and the soil conditions. If the cutter bar can easily just lift on the outside, then this setting usually works. Before retracting, control the feed ingredients with the number of revolutions on the mower. Then switch the tractor PTO to idle and slowly bring it to the rated speed of the machine. After the first few meters, a quick check of the cutting quality and cutting height is recommended. With the optimal settings, the work can now begin.